Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Sri Guru Gita based on the Guru Gitartheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Sri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in present age of darkness known as the Kali Yuga. Today we are going to learn the verse number 31.
संसारवृक्षमारूढा पतन्तो नरकार्णवे येन चैवोद्धृता सर्वे तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः.
Salutations to the revered Guru who uplifts soul mounted on the tree of the world, sinking into the ocean of hell. All are saved by the Guru's grace. Sansara means change. Everything changes. Change is the law of the world. Nothing remains the same in one condition for long. Whatever appears must necessarily disappear. The play of the five great elements means prapancha, the worldly life. It is like a tree. Tomorrow never comes. Therefore, the tree is called Ashwatha, without tomorrow. Today is born to become yesterday. The one who can live from moment to moment in the present only without the thought of the past and also about the future alone can live a meaningful and useful life. He who knows this secret of living life from moment to moment will never fall from the tree of change. To be born in this world is to climb this tree and to try unsuccessfully to sleep in the bed of roses of happiness with the hope that if not today, tomorrow I will be happy, but that tomorrow never rises. At any given moment, either we peep in the past or try to soar in the future, we never remain in the present. But the one who does not live a controlled life in the present, from moment to moment, is cheated by the life of change. He fails to sow in the present, therefore gets nothing in the future. As we sow, so we reap. He is the fallen soul who forgets his divine nature. He is bound to fall in the ocean of sorrow. The Guru alone can lift and save him. The Guru is the manifestation of the Supreme Brahma. A child cannot climb the steps, therefore, his mother steps down and lifts him. Similarly, God, in the form of Guru, comes down at the level of man, lives common man's life, mixes with all high and low, good and bad, rich and poor, and with intimacy helps everybody to evolve. The Guru alone can awaken Kundalini, the coiled divine power, in all and makes animal man a man, and a man, a God man. In a fair near a temple, if a child leaves hold of his mother's hand, he gets lost in the crowd and is separated from his mother. Then the policeman reunites them. Or a good swimmer swims, crosses the river, reaches the other bank, and then changes his wet clothes and is about to depart. At that moment, if he happens to return back and sees anybody sinking and getting drowned in the river, he again jumps into the river to save the person. In the same way, though the Guru has crossed the ocean of the worldly life and reached the highest state of perfection beyond change, he again enters and leads the worldly life to save the unprotected fallen ones. He helps and guides them to rise up to their original divine state. One should salute such Guru who is meant for the upliftment of the fallen ones attached to material gross life. To salute Guru thus becomes the spiritual practice. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.